It is permissible to install heat trace cable with Teflon tubing and wrap together with fiberglass tape and HDPE conduit. NEC Section 427.24, titled Heat Trace Cables for Industrial or Commercial Applications, addresses this. This section states that heat trace cables must be installed in accordance with their listing and the manufacturer's instructions. Manufacturer's instructions for heat trace cables often permit installation in HDPE conduit, provided certain conditions are met. Firstly, the heat trace cable and accessories must be specifically listed for use in HDPE conduit. This listing ensures that the materials are compatible and safe for the intended application. Secondly, the heat trace cable must be properly sized and rated for the specific application. This involves calculating the required heat output and selecting a cable with the appropriate wattage and voltage rating. Thirdly, the HDPE conduit must have a diameter sufficient to allow for the required heat dissipation. Overheating can damage the cable and conduit, so adequate ventilation is essential. Fourthly, the fiberglass tape should provide adequate insulation and protection for the heat trace cable. This tape helps to prevent heat loss and protects the cable from physical damage. Fifthly, the installation must conform to all applicable electrical codes and standards, including the NEC and any local regulations. Additional considerations include the Teflon tubing, which provides a protective barrier between the heat trace cable and the HDPE conduit, reducing the risk of damage or interaction between the two materials. The fiberglass tape helps prevent the heat trace cable from shifting or becoming damaged within the conduit. It is crucial to carefully follow the manufacturer's instructions and all applicable codes to ensure a safe and effective installation. This will help to avoid potential problems such as overheating, electrical shorts, and equipment failure.